Did Alfa Romeo discontinue this Ocra GT paint for next year just to give it to the Dodge Hornet, which also has a gold paint color? Let's talk about it. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I'm here at Maserati Alfa Romeo Daytona Beach for some concerning news, in a sense, to where if you guys haven't seen my video talking about the Alfa Romeo Giulia facelift and Alfa Romeo Stelvio facelift, the order guide and everything that I posted probably about a week ago when this video goes up, well, definitely go check it out because you're going to notice something missing from the options list in order to order your new Giulia and Stelvio, and that's going to be the Ocra GT paint color. It has been replaced supposedly with a different color, which is going to be something that we need to talk about today because apparently this is discontinued. So guys, let's talk about this because this is Ocra GT, which is currently one of Alfa Romeo's most expensive paints at $2,500. But again, if you guys saw my video on the new order guides and order specs for the Giulia and Stelvio facelift, the newest models coming out that will be available next year, well, you will notice that this color was missing from that lineup and was replaced by the new color that comes on the competition models called Grigio Moonlight Opaco, which is a matte color, and it's pretty much a derivative of what that color is, which is Moonlight Opaco, or sorry, Grigio Moonlight, Moonlight Pearl, Lunare White, whatever you want to call it. It's a matte version of that. So now we're going to talk about that because is it worth trading that out for this here? All right, this was exclusive to the Quadrifoglio models in 2020 and then was released for the Veloce models in 2021 and 2022. And this here is a 2023 Veloce, which is just gorgeous. All right, just absolutely gorgeous. But with that said, this was a very sought after color. And again, even being $2,500, a lot of people loved this paint. And you can see why. I mean, look at the flake on this car. I mean, it just looks so incredible in the Florida sun. But is it enough to stay in the lineup? And here's the controversial thing. As you guys can see, one behind here and another one there in the Stelvio variant for the Veloce. Here's the controversial thing. Did Alfa Romeo get rid of this paint in the lineup because the new Dodge Hornet has this kind of color paint? I'm not exactly sure if it's the same exact paint, but listen, they're both Stellantis brands, all right? They're both made under the same umbrella. Shoot, I mean, even the Tonale and the Hornet are made in the same factory. It's just very ironic that the 2023 Dodge Hornet that's based off of the Alfa Romeo Tonale that really took a lot of its design language might have taken one of Alfa Romeo's colors, and now Alfa Romeo doesn't have it. Like, they're not even sharing it. It's being taken from the Alfa Romeo cars. It's just all speculation, but from what we can see, the proof is there. Dodge is getting the color. As far as the order guide and the PDF, the handbook, this color is not there. It is not available for the next model years. So this might be the last time that we're looking at Ocra GT on this 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Veloce before it disappears for the next model years. So that means that the refresh models, with the new tri-LEDs, the new full digital TFT screen, things like that, the new revised front fascia, they will not be seen in this color. So again, I had to point that out for you guys because some of you love this color. Some of you want to see this color in person, and once these models are gone, you might not be able to get one brand new. So if you're waiting until next year and these models go away, well, then you might be out of luck until you see a pre-owned one on the market. Now again, here at Alfa Romeo Daytona Beach, you can see that we have one, we have two, we have three. I don't think we have any more, but with that said, you at least have three here to work with. I'm sure other dealerships will have plenty on hand right now. So no big rush, but if you guys decide you want one of these models, if you guys decide that you want the analog gauges and the wheels that come with this, the red calipers are also on the Veloce spec automatically, then if you like this spec and you like what the Alfa Romeo Giulia is and the Alfa Romeo Stelvio is now, then it's probably good to come and check these out while you can. But at the same time, is it fair that the Dodge Hornet, which kind of took from the Tonale, gets this paint color. Again, it's speculation, but so far, this is what we know from everything that we've seen as far as the documents and as far as the release of the Dodge Hornet. Now I'm gonna have to put them both side by side when the Hornet comes to the dealerships here, hopefully pretty soon, and then we'll be able to tell if this is the exact same metallic paint color and if Alfa Romeo really gave it to Dodge in order to give them a pretty spec'd Hornet. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because when you do, it helps grow the channel and I get more opportunities to talk about more beautiful Alfa Romeos like this Ocra GT color behind me here today. Now, just in case you guys were curious about what's inside, well, black on black, aluminum trim, everything you guys are used to for Alfa Romeo models. Now, I'm just showing you this, in case anybody was interested, but you guys know all about this. Really, today is about this paint color. Again, it looks phenomenal, and I want to show it off for you guys because I might not film too many more of these, maybe if a quad model comes out, but I've done my fair share of filming Ocra GT, so I definitely want to, move on from this color. But wow, it's gonna be hard pill to swallow if, in fact, we're gonna lose this color for the next model years. Let me know if you guys know any more information than I do, but what do you guys feel about this? You guys feel a little hurt by this, a little salty. I know I'm feeling a little salty about possibly losing this color after finally getting it on regular models when it was exclusive to the Quadrifoglio models. So guys, with that said, did Alfa Romeo sell its soul and get rid of this Ocra GT paint just to give it to the Dodge Hornet? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and will this paint be missed if that's the case? Let me know if you guys got one of these or you plan on getting one now that you know that it may no longer be in the lineup. Now, with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on Alfa Romeo possibly discontinuing Ocra GT. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love, guys. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch like this here, in case you guys want hoodies, stickers, tank tops, everything Ron's Rise is there. And make sure you guys check out the social media links as well. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.